O to jet 6 pack blowing fat. Understand why it to lose weight. In order to burn fat, you need to use up calorie. Since torar about 3,500 calories in a pound, you need to burn about 3,500 more calories than you bring in with food or drink in order to lose 1 pound. 2. It sounds simple, but actually quitar. Don't have une realistic expectation. A vigorous, or long work will only burn 800, 1,000 calories. Luckily, active help, and if you burn between 600 and 800 more calories than you take in per day, you can expect to lose about 1 pound per week. You'll start seeing reçu in your habit quickly. Understand before you start trying to lose belly fat. Try no way to target fat loss in an area of your body. 3. T also call spot training, just like your body deposit fat in many different places, it burn fat in your entire body, no just from your ab or your thigh. Do cardio workout. You need to lose some of the extra fat over your ab. Even if you work out and get gigantic ab muscle, if try still layer of fat over them no one will veget to the them. Cardio workout are as your ear rate for a given set of time. Some example would be running, jogging, bike riding, dancing or rowing. 3 cardio workout often, 3 to 5 times per week, for a list or a team. 3 interval training. Interval training is short burst of fury activity followed by long period of low activity. Researchez tank interval training and burn fat better than exercising at same intensity for long time. On study found that participant WHO practiced interval training on cervic for only 20 minutes a day lost on average 4 more pound, over 4 months, tant participant WHO cycled at same speed for 40 minutes a day. 4. Yat small email at night. Mail later on int that to jet stored a fat no because your metabolism is beginning to shut down, but because late night meal are often overly caloric snack food such as pizza or ice cream are worked off before you go to bed. 5, 6, 7. Your metabolism work even will you sleep. The fact it a most people yat sweet en starch before bed rate en cal en spina. 3 eating a large lunch or snacking healthily before dinner. Fresh fruits or vegetables are excellent choice for curbing a petit will offering healthful benefit. A handful of nut might dot some. 3 drinking a large glass of water or trait before sitting at table. Your stomach will feel more full, allowing you to comfortably at leisure. Yat breakfast. Many people skip breakfast because they don't have time for it. The harm of skipping breakfast from a weight loss perspective is twofold. It cause you to get angry later on, and it fail to jumpstart your metabolism. 8. Eating a healthy breakfast will keep you from eating more later on and plus increase your resting metabolism by much as 10%, for the rest of the day. 9. 3 eating long protein in the morning. Skip the bagel en créamecheuse. Instead, 3. Egg with omelette with spinach, turkey, en chipotle pepper. Greek yogurt with blueberry, banana, en flax seed. Leftover salmon with whole grain toast. Avoid dieting. Sugary cereal. Simple starch such potato, hash brown, etc., en refiné wheat, wheat bread, etc. Smoothie. Low fat drink dont elle translate tout l'en physique. Lift vet. The more muscle your body a, the more calorie your body burn, even a rest. 10, plus, resistance training is important to limit a moins of muscle mass lost whilst reducing your calorie intake. If you only do cardiovascular exercise, running, playing basketball, football, or to vet training, you may lose muscle mass, including the muscle in your ab. Keep metabolism steady. Wilterison is scientific merit toute clientèle atteint similade instead of très will help you lose weight. 6, 11, the rare food you can eat ta will slow down your metabolism. Avoid the food to keep your metabolism steady. 12. Refiné carbohydrates, sucre wheat bread, pasta, en riz. Sugar, which absorbed quickly, which bring your metabolism to a crawl. Eat fat food, such fast food and free food. Drink more water every day. To find out how much water you need to drink a minimum per day, halve your weight, in pound, how many ounces of water you need to drink, 13, so à 150 lb person you would need to drink a minimum of 2.2 liters a day. Eat soon can absorb a amount of water, but you get water from the food you eat, and you can drink it to make up some of the quota. Drinking too much water, several liters, especially while sweating, can dangerously dilute certain salts minerals. If you are exercising while sweating a lot, you will need to replace your salt level fluid. Supplement your water drinking with a sport drink or potassium-rich fruits such as banana and apple. Switch out vinaigre for whole grain. In a scientific study, people WHO at all whole grain, in addition to 5 serving of fruits and vegetables, 3 serving of low-fat dairy, and 2 serving of lamb, fish, or poultry, lost more belly fat tant à noter groupe tat te samedi, bu 8 al vinaigre, 14, à rich in whole grain change te glucose en insulin response in your body, which hasten the burning of fat. Jet the right amount of sleep. Dr. Arb Gining to div de peinto information suggesting ta hormone ta control appetite are affected by sleep, or l'acteur of, 15, in on study, scientists compared individual WHO go 5.5 hours of sleep per night, en individual WHO go 8.5 hours of sleep per night. Individual WHO slept 8.5 hours per night favorable to lose more body fat tantos WHO slept only 5.5 hours per night, 16. Control your stress. Stress, along with sleep, helpful in pushing you toward your weight loss goal, 17. Participants in a study WHO slept at least 6 hours but no more than 8, en WHO at lowest level of stress, were more likely to lose weight than participants WHO reported high level of stress, 18. Tip. Make sure to warm up before exercising. Everyone have, you likely just have fat covering them, so you have to lose the fat and strengthen your ab. Pre-swimming. It is one of the most effective way of exercising your whole body, especially your ab. Unless you are watching your weight for another reason, in your reading on the scale. You may be decreasing your body fat but your weight must stay the same, or even increase, as you build muscle. Muscle tissue dans cet en fat so it will be the same volume of fat. Water weight can also vary your reading by surprisingly large amount. If you feel you need to, isn't it change in your lifestyle. Start eating breakfast. If you have difficulty with tea, start with a couple glass of water or a large cup of coffee right when you wake up. It will go down easy and prepare your stomach to get back to work. Cut amount of dinner lit te le bilit te le. Fort exercise, start slow and increase the pace en barre oblique repetition as you are comfortable. Attempting lifestyle change in a drastic, sudden manner can backfire. Do why you can but don't sell yourself short. Make a photo diary of your body but don't take a picture too often, on s'amonti fine. Don't study your picture intensely since you might not get motivated if you don't see difference. If you are consistent in your day en exercise, you should se change mentally. Keep in mind that you on se change in mirror every day since there will be very small improvement. Keep hydrated. Drink lots of water, and eat healthy. Don't deprive yourself from food, it will only make you sick. Be sure to exercise your back muscle just as much as your abdominal muscle or you might develop poor posture. Make sure you give yourself adequate amount of rest, 8 HRS for adults, and 8-10 HRS for kids and teenagers. When exercising you actually break down muscle and if you give the proper time to heal, and eat the proper food, te will gros back strong et tombe fort. Manipé up l'abdominal muscle are offset, wish quand j'yve illusion of a 5 pack, 4 pack, or even 3 pack depending, upon your genetic, the thickness of your ab, en your plus level of body fat. Warning. Don't neglect warm ups or you may find yourself pulling muscle. Do no bashamed of yourself, if your abdo no show a first. It take team. Don't overwork yourself. Ti will hurt you more than it help. Know your